Welcome to Done by Dorothy. Dorothy here. We are so excited to have you with us today for our 5th episode of the Junk Journal Weekly Review. What is the Junk Journal Weekly Review? Well, the Junk Journal Weekly Review is simply a series where we will be reviewing anything, everything, and all things junk journal. So, if you create items, journals, ephemera, if you have a website, if you have an Etsy store, a Facebook group, a YouTube channel, anything, everything, and all things junk journal, and you would like to have yourself, your item, your group, store, whatever reviewed, please contact us at donebydorothycrafts@gmail.com. We will be sure to work with you on getting your item, group, shop, whatever reviewed. So, today for episode 5, we are going to be featuring an Etsy store called DigiandSVGDesigns4U. Just going to flip that logo up there for you to see. Isn't that cute? I love the little bike with the little art supplies in the back. I mean, how gorgeous is that? So, we're going to go ahead and review them. All of their information, links, and etc. will be in the description box below. So, the kit that I'm featuring today of theirs is called Life is Better on the Farm. It is actually 2 kits from their store, but their kits are extremely reasonable, you guys. Go check them out. Extremely affordable. They have a paper. One of their items is the papers, the journal pages, and the other is the ephemera. So the kit that I'm doing is Life is Better on the Farm. I'm a farm girl at heart. From the Midwest, we are farm people. That is just the way that it works. So when I found this kit, I thought it was absolutely adorable. So I wanted to share it with you. It's gorgeous. The colors are so vibrant and clear. So yeah, let's jump right in and I'll show you the pages. Now, I have been showing everything on, just on an 8.5 by 11 sheet of letter size, US letter piece of paper. These I actually, with the holidays, had time to cut them out and get them ready. Now everything is printed on 24-pound paper because that's just my paper of choice that I print on. But here's the horses. Isn't that not beautiful? I'll set this side over here. These pages, the pictures are just gorgeous. So this would be cute for any kind of historical farm life type thing or journal or anything like that. And you can play with the sizes, print a half page if you want a smaller one, increase, decrease that percentages. Look at the little farmer with all his little barrels. They're so cute. And there's actually 2 of those. And some of these as I go through, there may be an extra page or 2 because look, aren't they cute? Look at the little cows. My dad raises cows and has a farm. And so, we're love this kit. Love the little farmers. Love the lined paper. I'm a chicken fanatic, so I loved the chicken page. One thing, I don't know if you guys can see, that I really liked about some of these is like in the background, I don't know if you can see the checks. There is a very light check design in the back, which you don't really notice when you look at the page. But when you're writing, you can see that. And it's sort of, so, as you're writing, you can keep your writing straight on the page, which I really liked. Isn't it cute? Look at the little old truck in the background. And of course, that chicken page. Absolutely gorgeous. And the little girls walking in the lane. I mean, how cute is that? And there's such a variety of the colors here. So you can just, it's one of those journals where you don't have to pick a specific color. You can just pull from so many different color palettes. And of course, you can't have a farm without a family. And there's the little family. And pigs. You have to have pigs. I love the sunflowers, the pigs, the windmill in the background, and just this slight hint of text. which is just enough to catch your eye but not be overwhelming. And laundry. Got to do laundry on the farm. Again, the text where it's a story and it has about chickens in the background. The vintage goods symbol. You know, farm fresh eggs daily. The chickens, the chicks. Love the ledger in the background over there. Again, in this area where you can write. So I love that fact. So there was 2 pages. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34 pages. Oh, and I did print, there's more than that because I printed some of these on the back. Some of them have background pages because I was going to do something specific with them. So hold on, let me grab my background pages here. The backgrounds, there is a red check, of course. And then there was the farmer background, which we looked at, remember? There is a tan check, which I absolutely love. There is a farm animal collaged background, which I love. I think, yeah. And then there is a blue, like a grandpa dad's work shirt type check, which I really liked. So that is the journal pages. So there's a lot of pages just in there. I mean, I think there's 18 pages. I'm trying to count and can't count today. 3, 4, let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Another 16 pages and 5 background pages. So 4 background pages. No, 5. So 21 pages total. That's a big for journal page kit. So I was super excited with that. Now let's talk ephemera, guys. Okay, this ephemera kit was insane. There was so many pieces. Okay, so there's a pile of ephemera that come with this. There's a single ticket, which is a small ticket. There's a ticket strip. There's a vintage tape measure barn piece of washi. There are tags. Individual animals on them. There's like the milk lid. There's a small tag. There's a couple animal squares. Or several animal squares, I should say. There's tabs. I loved these. They're gorgeous. I mean, these I would use in any journal, not just a farm journal. They're pretty. Of course, there's journaling cards. I love this. Isn't that gorgeous? And the little girl, so cute. And the little lantern. There's the admit one ticket with the pig on it, which I loved. There's another little tab. And I don't know if this tab, let me check something because I think this tab did too. Yeah. Each of the tabs actually have this little like whited out area built into them, which I loved. There's some individual tickets with, there's an old house. There's a boot with flowers. Again, the little girl. Again, there's brown, blue, and a greenish colored. I think there's 5 tabs. There's some different, that says walking in the lane, mince pies. There's a little farmer, a chicken, a vintage dry goods. There's a chicken washi. There's some larger style tags of farm life. Life is better on the farm. Look at this stack. I love this stack. Little farmer. Again, another little tag with a chicken on it. A heavy cream pail. Again, some of the collages on these are so pretty. There's some plant. I love the plaid in the background. And the cow. Flower wagon. There's another one of those like specialty shaped. There's one with the barn. So pretty. There's a chick tag, a horse tag, and a pig one. I told you guys there's a lot of pieces here. There's a two folding like insert journal card type style cards. There's another large tag. There's some more squares. There's a tractor and a horse. There's a round horse. There's a mini envelope with a tractor on it, which I thought was adorable. There's another little just piece of ephemera. There's trucks, tractors, wagons, like some little snippet pieces. I apologize if you can hear my cat sneezing in the background. Hey, goose. There's a seed envelope. Another tag with some veggies on it. There's an onion seed envelope. There's a two-lined journaling page, or you could turn it into like a little mini journal. There was two of those, which obviously that's what I was going to do with those. One has animals on it. So cute. There's another little pocket. Another small envelope. Oh, let me get back up on screen. There's a trifold tag. There's another one of those little tags. A little heavy cream, like the top of a milk bottle. There are some corner tucks. There's another little envelope. A tomato seed envelope. There's just a ton here, guys. Another little tag. And another little tag. And some of these are plain where you can decorate them. There's corn, onions, beans, some little mini tickets. Another little plaid tag. Another envelope. A corner tuck. Again, another envelope. There's a little cabbage ticket. There's a chicken envelope. I told you guys there is just a ton of stuff in here. There's a little farmer with the animal background envelope. There's two more little corner tucks. There's another dairy cream milk bottle cap type thing. And these would be really cute to put on heavy like chipboard and sort of make them three-dimensional. There's a little horse. There's another little mini envelope and another little mini envelope. There's two more tickets, tomatoes and beetroot. There's a little pocket. There's another little envelope, another pocket, and a file folder. So when I said there was a lot of pieces of ephemera for, let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 33, 34, 35, 36, 40, 44, 46, 50, 56. Okay. There's 60. 65, 66, 67, 68, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 84, 7, 8, 9, 93, 96, I think. I think it was 96. I don't think I skipped. I was going, wait a minute, did I go from 80? Well, yeah. So, you know, there is a massive amount of ephemera there. Well worth the price, you guys. Go check her out. I will leave her links in the description box below. This was just one kit. I actually have a couple other kits that I bought from her, and each one is just more beautiful than the next. So, you know, go check out her kits. Again, it's Digital and SVG Designs for You. Make sure you go check her out. Thanks for tuning in for this episode of the Junk Journal Weekly Review. We will see you back here again next week when we're reviewing something else that has to do with junk journals. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you next time.